GE Ice Maker Repair, authorized service in Los Angeles, is a premier appliance repair service company, employing only factory-trained GE Ice Maker repair technicians. We service GE Ice Makers and repair GE Ice Makers, as well as GE Ice Machines, GE Refrigerators, GE Wine Coolers, GE Undercounters, and much more. We have technicians standing by in Los Angeles and the surrounding areas, such as Beverly Hills, Santa Monica, Orange County, San Fernando Valley, Malibu, Oxnard, Sherman Oaks, Brentwood, West Los Angeles, Pasadena, and Burbank. Call us today at 877-309-7770. One of our friendly operators would be glad to assist you in setting up an appointment.